Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. I got a new name, Natusha Crypto. Welcome everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. First of all, we're gonna look at Ethereum and BTC today. I do have some really good levels where we can on BTC see the market have a retest around 16,787, only for the market to give us a small higher low level and then have a continuation potentially up to 7,300. If we are looking at Ethereum is right now retesting the 50% Fibonacci at 1,250. We do have a level at 1,275, which we also can see the market head up to. Based on that, we've seen the market have some really big bullish movement at the moment. So we are at the moment bullish. We just have to wait and see how long the market is going to continue to be that, because the market is overall still in a downtrend. So we're trying to figure out where the next lower high level can be. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you in detail the levels where I could potentially see the market coming to for a long position at the moment. Let us start off with looking at the daily chart, because it's always very important to look at the overall perspective, and the daily looks really good at the moment. And because if we're zooming out, you can clearly see that we have a previous support that we did break at 18,400, and we created a new support again from the last break that we did have at 15,900, 16,000, and the market is right now consolidating in between these levels. So that is the first thing that we need to know, and then we just go down to the 12-hourly chart. One thing that we can also see here is that we have a previous resistance between the sideways market at 17,300, and because we need to follow what the market is giving us, and the market did give us a previous lower high at 18,373, and then we're just going to drag back the support, the Fibonacci back down to the support at 15,483. What the market has now at the moment is a Fibonacci between 16,928 and 17,275, and this is exactly combined with the resistance that we did speak about. And what the market can do from here is obviously two things, because the market is going up, down, or sideways. We'll either see the market continue even more to have the power to reach the Fibonacci at 17,300, I would say. And if between these levels, this is where we can expect the market to then continue to the downside, because it is a lower high level where the market is expected to reverse down. But because we are in the sideways market, this could also be where we see the market have a break above the previous resistance and then have the market continuing to higher targets, because remember, we just might see the market consolidate before the market is giving us a clear direction. A clear direction is something like this. So before we were in a sideways market, and then from nowhere market created the next lower high level, and after we've had a lower low level, this is the lower low, market usually consolidate before it finds the power to give us the next impulsive move, and in this case it is to the downside, because we are in a sideways market, in a downtrend. But if we are just zooming in on what could potentially happen from here, because as you guys know, the market has almost retested the 16,900 level, and we are also above the previous resistance that we did have at 16,700 if we're taking a trend line. And with the trend line, we can also see that the market did break above the trend line, which means that the market is at the moment in a pullback, and the pullback is to the upside. Another thing that we can add to this is a Fibonacci that we're just dragging from low to high, which gives us the levels right now between 16,780 and 16,746, which is also combined with the previous resistance that we did break. If we are just breaking down everything even more to the lower time frames, we can also use the Fibonacci from the last low right here at 16,715 to 16,913, which gives us the support and Fibonacci levels between 16,814 and 16,792. This could also be because we did have such huge candlestick breaking above this level yesterday, day, which means that the market doesn't give us a big pullback. It just might give us a small pullback and then have the market continue to the higher target. So at the moment, the most important level that we're looking at is to see if the market reaches down at 16,800 and 14.15 or 16,790, only for a quick retest and then a potential continuation to the upside. If this is the case, take profit 1 is at 16,960, take profit 2 is at 16,060, and take profit 3 is 17,150. The take profit 3 based on the other Fibonacci is around the 61.8% that we have at 17,265. So this could be the bullish momentum that we can see at the moment. Remember, this is short-term targets that we have, and in between the big yellow lines, this is also where we can expect the market to give us the next reverse and heading even more to the downside after this. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies on a really good platform, I do recommend Bybit. This is the platform that I trade on too, which you can also right now receive a bonus up to right now $30,030 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it pinned in the corner. This is a great platform for anyone that wants to have a very simple platform to trade on. This is a leverage trading platform, but it's really simple. You got everything that you need on the same chart. Bybit has low fees when it comes to cryptocurrencies when you're holding it for a longer time, and you have 0 fees at the moment when it comes to spot pairs. Make sure to claim the best bonus available right now. We are looking at Ethereum. We can already see that the market is retesting the Fibonacci level that we have the exact same way that we have on BTC, but we are retesting it at the moment at 1,248. We have the 61.8% at 1,275, and this is inside this level. We can expect the market to reverse down. Another level that is very important to look at overall is the sideways, the previous support. Now this is actually really good. I like this one. If we're breaking above this level at 1,275, you just have to go to the higher time frames and use the Fibonacci from 1,678 to 1,070, which gives us the Fibonacci levels at 1,374 or 1,445. So if the market is breaking above this level that we have once again at 1,275, that can be the beginning for the push up to the higher time frames Fibonacci that we did take from the weekly chart, and then the exact same thing here. We're expecting the market to then have the reverse down. So everything depends on where the market wants to or needs to come to give us a potential retest, and then based on that we're still in a downtrend, I still look at the market from a bullish perspective, bearish perspective for a continuation down. So what we're looking at this moment is only a pullback, but we do have some really good levels that we can have in mind to see what the market is going to do against them, and after that just taking the decision if I want to go in a long or short position. Thank you everyone for joining this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. Thank you everyone. I wish everyone a great day. We'll see each other later. Have a good day. Toodles.